this button, and then we are ready to go. Ready to go. Again, thank you as well. Appreciate that. So my opponent this time does not have a speaker, doesn't have a microphone, and so we're gonna see what happens as they figure out what turn they want. Oh, you're good. Weird that I can actually chat here, huh? This hand sucks. I'm gonna mulligan this one. This is good enough, I guess. So Luffy just gets to re-ready a dude, set up one of my supernovas, and give him extra stats. So my goal here, my thought here, is to just slam stuff. I think that I'm going to do this, and then we'll use it. You are a supernova. Let's grab 3-drop Zoro. And then I don't care about the rest. And then I am not allowed to attack, right? No, I am not allowed to attack. We will end our turn, really. Weird he didn't just Flamingo. Why not Flamingo, right? Reveal the top card of your deck. If that card, you may play the card rested. Why not do the thing? I don't get why people don't just, like, every turn swing for 7, possibly get a free dude. Is that just, like, not... That is not correct? I don't understand. I don't get it. Chad, I don't get it. I don't get why you just don't do it every turn. Whether you peaked or not, you know? And he's done with it? I'm cool with that. Let's draw Dawn up. Yeah, I think because if it's a love beam, it gives me info. Yeah, but you're gonna play it anyways, right? Like, what am I gonna do? Like, not attack through it? I think what we do is we just swing and see what happens. Okay. And then from here, I think since I'm on 2, it's either that or this. I think this is a fine move. Let's do here and swing. My 5 to 5. See if he blocks. I'm into a block. I'm down for a block. He said no thank you. Hi. We'll toss out this guy to try and save my Zoro and then be chill. Yes, do the thing. You just slammed a law out. That's so good. I am forced to block. Right? Because it's 7. Yeah, I can't afford that. That's so expensive. Draw Dawn. Yo, Pro Black Knight. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Now it's schmoovin' a bit, huh? The first thing that I want to do is I think I just want... Actually, I have 6 big ones, huh? We could take and do something silly. I love this card. I love this card. A law for 3 feels bad, though. No, but he swung for 7. Like, he just... It's free. It's like he just did the thing anyways. That's like... He just did the thing. He did the damn thing. I think I do this. And then I think we schwang. For posting a link. Did you put it in? All right, you're not banned or whatever. That's to stop bots. That's all that is. But you are in the queue. You're good. You're good. He attack fails. I'm confused. Let's just do this. Let's attack here, because I'm about to have the Hawkins up. Yeah, super down. Yeah, I'm good. Let's just end it there. Yeah, I do not care about these blockers. Could not care. Wow. He's thinking. He's taking a big, long think. He's placing cards on top, which makes sense. Slam a couple of these bad boys. He gets that, and he got a Bartholomew Kuma from trash. I don't remember what that card is. I think I'm down to do... I kind of just want to save it. So let's do no blockers, and then we do this for 2, and then this for this, and then this for 1. And then resolve. The entire idea is I want to keep my dudes alive for as long as possible. Alright, we'll draw. We'll dawn up. We come here, right? And then now we swing there. My 70 or 5. This thing will just die, right? There's no reason for him to save it. Oh, he's gonna block it. Yeah, I'm down to swing on it again. That's totally chill. Okay. Alright. That's 5 to 5. Is he gonna discard cards to get it out of here? That's a big question. I'm down. Let's discard some cards, huh? Or go for the blocker. I mean, I'm clearing the board either way, right? Like I'm just doing the thing. He counters. Do we do another one? There's no way, right? There's no way, right? He says there is a way. Then I've got 7. So we do this. I'm killing your dude. I don't know. Like, what do you want? Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, I'm super down. Look at the advantage I just got. Oh, I'm in. I'm so in. That was so sick. Yeah, I'm down. I could not care less. That was amazing. He lost his entire board, right? 6 to 5. I think that I'm good. 6 to 5. I'm good. Well, that's annoying. Let's draw Dawn up. Okay. So let's take now and go here. There. 5, 6, 7. I need to keep 2 up. Do that and then Basil again. That. And then let's attack here. Gotta have 2 2Ks. I mean, this thing's just dead, right? Yeah. And then I've got 7, so I'm allowed to do this. And then we'll end it there. I think that I am down to take the 7K here because Basil could just kill it next turn. Yeah, no blockers, will resolve. No trigger. Yeah, I don't care about that. I do care about that. That is annoying. Let's draw. And then Let us do this, obviously. 6, 7, 8, 9. So he's got a 2K twice, and we'll swing here. Or he loses all 3 cards in his hand, and I just get to re-ready. Sure. Let's just slam another one for safety's sake, and then swing one more time. Yeah. From here, let's take, and you have a counter, so I'm gonna keep you. I think we just slam these, huh? 4, 5, 6. I'm down to swing. Yeah. I think we just attack. I think 5 to 5. Make him discard the card if he wants. I think that's acceptable. Let him try and draw more outs. Yeah. I am good. I've got a punk in my hand. So if he swings with Flamingo first, I am saved. Punk is 4K though, which sucks. If he swings with Punk first, it just means I get to commit the Moria. Yeah, I think we just Punk here. I think there's no reason, no blocker, Punk, commit this. And then now Basil just gets to swing on this thing again, right? Man. What? To the bottom of the owner's deck? How cringe. That's all right. He'll be back. All right, we'll draw. Oh, I love the boat. This one, obviously, we just swing, get it off the board, right? What, are you going to save it? Yeah, that's fine. And then from here, I think, we've got 7 still. Let's just do this and see what happens. Look how safe the boat is. Once you get the boat out, it's just so safe. I've put no resources anywhere. It's just an 11th Dawn. It's so sick. Oh, you said put a card on top? Oh, I don't. Yeah, that's fine. And then I think I just do this. My 6 or 5. Catch. And just like that, it is all... What the fuck? My poor mans. Well, that's annoying. But acceptable. I think Basil's job is literally just to clean up the board, so I think keeping him uncommitted and unswinging is totally chill. Yeah, no blockers. I'll resolve. A little confused, but that's okay. He said, I'm dumb. I respect it. I respect it. Ah, there we go. I've got 5. I'm down. I think I'm down to Sanji here to make him swing another time. Right? Because then I just get 2 things off his board. He has to now swing here. Yeah, no blocker. And then Basil just gets to do his fuck. I'm so tired of that card. It just means I Robin next, right? Draw. Okay, so the first thing we do is we do this, obviously. X-Drake is pretty good. I do like that card. I'm an X-Drake fiend. Oh, I have to pick a straw hat. Oh, then it just has to be one of these 2. How lame. I want my thing. I want the X-Drake. I guess it's just a 2K. This is fine. I don't care about this. This. And then this. Thoughts? Goes with a block. Respect it. Just wants to draw the card. That makes sense. Yeah. And then I think I just load this up and kill the boa. I think, or actually, boa's not gonna swing on me this turn. So I think I might actually just do this, because I very much want this thing going. Because he's not gonna swing with boa. He's just not. Yeah. And then we should do this first. And then we attack here. That's kind of cool. And I got 6 left. Saved. Okay. And then we might just straw hat. We might just do this. And then ready the Basil again. And then I think I just ready this. And then it's for 10. We swing here. The issue is if I do that, it dies. So I think we just leave it. I think we're good. I don't think he's allowed to be very aggressive. I don't care about these blockers. Yeah, I think being a little too greedy with these Hawkins swings will get me killed. I'm allowed to swing twice per turn with this guy. And if he puts any pressure back on me, right, like he loads up Don and then starts swinging at stuff, I think that I am good. Okay, I love that. Let's go no blocker, and then we'll resolve it. Yeah, no trigger. We found X-Drake, and that is wonderful. Interesting. Huh. That is interesting. We will save it, I think. No blocker, save. This is acceptable. I think what I need to start doing now. No blocker, it'll resolve. No trigger. I think what I need to start doing now is I gotta drop this Robin. Let's draw my card. Okay, so the first thing that we do, easy peasy, is attack. 7 to 5. Okay. And then I think I have to swing again here. We'll cancel. Let's do this here, right? My 6 to 5 decides to go for the block or to save. Goes for the 2K save. All right, I'm into that. I think what I'm allowed to do now is we can do this, right? Because I got 9, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I think I'm actually allowed to do a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna swing again. Okay. Let's use you. Set you back. Let's use you. Let's use you. Let's use you. And go and find myself this chopper. Put the rest back. And then I think that I'm allowed to end my turn there. Yeah. It might be a turn late because he's still got all these dudes on board. Maybe I should have swung. Was one of these committed? I could have just swung here for the 2K. Oh, maybe I'm bad. Chat, was one of these committed? No blocker. That is not enough. We'll resolve. We are good there. No trigger. It's pretty good. It is what we were worried about. We will draw. Okay. So let's do this. You're a Straw Hat, so I think that I'm just allowed to do this. And then attack. And then with 3 power or less. That. Okay. From here, let's do this, right? This, and then attack. 6 to 5. Decides to save. Okay. From here, let's use stuff. Ready, you. Swing again. 6 to 5. Go for the block. Okay. From there, I think we toss down you and you, killing you. And we swing. I think we just have to put on pressure. Yeah. And then we can end it there. And I've got a 2K and a 1K in hand to try and keep myself alive. I got double blockers for his 2 attackers that he can fire. That blocker sucks. What game is this? Game 1. Air from the nugs. Have fun, buddy. Okay, he's swinging. I think the worst thing that can happen is he slams a dude on top, right? Oh, reveals the top, and that's not a thing. So I think we just go for the blocker, right? We just block, keep our cards in hand as best we can. He's only got so much. I think it was just the fact that I got to keep Basil alive so much. So let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this, killing this. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. It doesn't matter. Let's do this. I am confused. I thought I'm confused. Was that wasn't ready, was it? I'm confused. Did I just see how board state was? Did I just not see how the board state was? I'm just confused. I'm excited to go back and rewatch that. My brain said he blocked. Did he not block earlier? Yeah, I'll just concede. It's fine. Good thing there's a game 2. That's fine. That was my game. You just had a... my brain said that it was turned sideways. I looked at the board and it was turned sideways. I don't know what happened. It's your choice. The game says it's your choice. I don't, this game isn't 2 of 3. I just do 2 of 3 because it's good for YouTube. I guess this is a fine hand. Pretty good. Apparently Top Cut's a best of 3. Are there sideboards? I would love a sideboard. Give me a sideboard for the One Piece trading card game. Draw, done. I'm in. I want this one. I'm in. I want this one. Not yet. Fair enough. Whoa! I bet he finds a thing. This thing is just on play, play up to 1. Plus for my hand. That's neat. Yeah, no blocker. I will just resolve my attack. No trigger. Okay, let's draw. Let's don up, baby. I'm just gonna swing here and see what happens. 1 card, please. Okay. Let's do this and swing here. Give me another card. I am down. I probably should have gave it the 1k of power. Gonna swing at Zoro. Makes sense. This card doesn't count, right? 4 or less, it's a 5. My 7, I could save it. Going 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that I'm down to do that. Am I? I am not. It's fine. I think we lost last time. We could do the hand advantage. Draw. We'll dawn up. I think we've got 6, right? So I think we just do this because I like this one, right? And then I am down to slam here. Yeah, that's fine. We'll end it there. Can I change my deck? Yeah, that's fine. I'm down for the no blocker 1k. I am down for the no blocker 1k. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's draw. And then dawn. Let's do this and this. 5, 6, 7. I am down to swing 7 here and see what happens. Okay. From there, I think we just set up again. We do this. And then I think we're forced to pass. Having X-Drake on the board is really, really strong. It can by itself contest the 7-drop Flamingo. So like he just has to be careful about swinging with it. Although like he wants to because he's ahead, right? It's 3 to 5. That's pretty good. I don't think I'm allowed to save the health. Man, he's got 2 7s. How do I feel this game compares to like Fab and MHA? It's just different. That's just really all it is. No blocker. I'll resolve it. No effect. 7. Do I just play on the back foot? I mean, these 7s are big. No blocker. I'll just let it happen. No trigger. Man, triggers would be very cool. Alright, we will draw a card, Dawn up. First thing we do is this. Let's swing 7. 7 to 7. Okay, I liked that. So from here, let's now take and push you out. 5, 6, 7. Here. 7. I've got 5 left. So I can drop Chopper. Okay. Let's attack here. Let's attack here. Okay. Let's use your ability. You're now an 8. He has another 2k. I'm fucked. Alright, that's fine. So let's then take and drop this and end it there. Man, that last 2k was rough. Uh, 7. Let's go no blocker. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, for 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna have to swing 3 times. So you have to swing with everything, right? And I'm down to save it all. There, we'll go for the block. 5. So no blocker. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then resolve. From here, I just get to try and clear his board. Still got 5, 2 to 2. This is fine. I am totally fine with this. He plays that as the blocker. We'll draw. Okay. First thing we do is attach this. Let's go 5, 6, 7. Uh, 5, 6, 7. Here. Yeah. From here, I think we swing here. I think my job is just to clear his board. I think we Basil and then pass. Or maybe we swing. If I just actually do this. And then we pass. I have 7 attacks next turn. I'm at 2 health. What the fuck am I thinking? I had to swing? That's so funny. I think I just lost. Let's resolve. No trigger. Doesn't have a thing. Yeah. I think I lost because I'm bad. Yeah, I thought I was in total control of the game until I passed turn back to him and then realized I just suck. What was I allowed to do there? Nothing? No blocker resolve. Yeah, I think I just I think game 1 was totally mine. I think game 2 I deserve to lose this. Where did I mess up? Maybe I was supposed to protect things earlier? I don't know. Chat, let me know either in here or there. Yeah, let me know. Let me know. That's fun though. That's fun though. Yeah, GG's.